guys, welcome back to my channel. I have yet another Trader Joe's haul for you today. Well, Trader Joe's and Sprouts. I did go to Sprouts. I don't have much from Sprouts, but we needed to restock on a lot of things at Trader Joe's, so I figured I'd do this because I got a lot of crap. So we'll start with the produce. Oh, so much produce. So I got some parsley. I am growing some parsley, but I just replanted it, so it's kind of it's maturing. So I still am buying parsley, but the goal is to have all the herbs I need outside of my herb garden, so I don't have to buy them anymore. I have my favorite lettuce or salad compilation, if you will, the Champs-Élysées. And then I have arugula, because I like to add this to flatbreads and to sandwiches and to salads, and I just like it. Got some bananas, some sweet potatoes. I'm back on my sweet potato kick. Some normal potatoes. Oh, this is a plant I bought today for my little Alice in Wonderland pot that's over there, but I'll show you that in a minute. But that wasn't from Trader Joe's. It's just sitting there because I bought it while I was out. Got the baby potatoes again, some red bell peppers. We're eating these like crazy. Limes, lemon, Honeycrisp apples. I'm amazed that they still have these in stock. I feel like they're normally gone so quick, but they've been there since like September. So every time I go, I keep buying them because we love them. An avocado, aroma tomato, a cucumber, some strawberries, some sliced mango because it looked incredible. So I cannot wait to have that. Oh my God. Got some celery, the diced onions, the shredded carrots. We got some eggs. We used to get them at Costco, but we haven't, I don't know, I've been eating as many eggs as normal, so now we just get them at Trader Joe's. We got some cheeses. I got some mozzarella cheese, some unexpected cheddar cheese, I got one of each of their kind of turkey that they make. I got 2 of these frozen reduced guilt mac and cheese. They taste amazing. They don't taste reduced guilt at all. So would highly recommend. I make these, or sometimes we like make these last minute with a dinner that needs one more thing, and then I just slap some lemon pepper all over it, and holy crap, it's amazing. I got some ground turkey because I'm gonna make Bradley dinner tonight. He's been taking care of me all week because I've been under the weather, and I just want to do something nice for him, so I'm gonna make him dinner. So I'm gonna try a spaghetti casserole. So I got this and a bunch of cheeses. Got some non-fat Greek yogurt, some ricotta cheese. We needed more of our salsa especial. This is my favorite salsa ever, like even any more than any like restaurant salsa I can think of. This is my favorite. Then here's kind of the restock section and some new things. So we needed more of our red pepper spread. It's got eggplant, garlic, and red pepper. It's really good for sandwiches. This is what we use for cooking spray, the coconut oil spray. The Tone It Up girls say that coconut oil is the best for your metabolism. It just goes through you quicker than other oils, so that's why I got that. I don't know. I love their canned bruschetta sauce. It's the best. I just watched Nikki Phillippi's Trader Joe's haul, and she talked about this aioli garlic mustard sauce, so I wanted to try it. I needed more of my Trader Joe's soyaki. I love this, and I definitely prefer this one over the Island soyaki. I did not like that one as much. I got 2 sauces to kind of mix in my casserole tonight. I got arrabbiata and just their normal organic tomato basil marinara. The arrabbiata sauce is usually more spicy. I don't think I've tried Trader Joe's version though, so I'm excited about that. We needed some more sea salt, and I just get this huge thing of it. I don't know, I just always have. We needed more olive oil, so I got that. And then this was new, and it was the sample, and it was really good. Marsala style sauce. So it was like a little bit sweet with mushrooms. It was really good. So I picked that up. In the middle of the table, we got orange juice. I've been craving it, so I bought some, and Bradley's wine. And I got some brown rice pasta for the spaghetti. We needed some more of our nuts, so I got the raw sliced almonds, and then the whole cashews. I needed more of these. These are my favorite snack for on the go. The organic apple mango fruit sauce crushers. These are amazing. They're kind of like the Biscoff cookies that you get on planes, but they're incredibly good. So we got another pack of those. Of course, my special cookies, my sprouted wheat bagels, and then I got these for like a little treat with our dinner tonight. So I'm gonna make that spaghetti casserole, a big salad, and then these garlic and cheese breadsticks. Like, they're so yummy. Look at them, yum. And then over here, I just put the Sprout stuff so I can show you. I really didn't get much. I normally go to Sprouts just because they have good deals on hint water. So today they were 2 for $3, so they were each $1 off, which was pretty good. So I got 3 blackberries because those are my absolute favorite, and then I got 1 pomegranate because that's my second favorite. So yeah, oh, and this is the plant, or the pot that I'm gonna put the plant in. Let's just try it out. I'll make it work. This, by the way, is a Sansevieria. so great. I also got this Sprouts Shells and Alfredo dinner. Actually, when I was buying this, I thought this was Annie's brand. I didn't even read it. They ripped me off. But this looked so incredibly good, so I wanted to pick it up. We could make this with like chicken and salad one night. The brand Alexia is my favorite. We normally buy their other tater tots. I haven't seen these. The other ones are like spiced with pepper or something, but I'm excited to try these. I've never seen them. And then I do love this Annie's Berry Bunnies cereal, and it was buy one, get one free, and it's a pretty pricey cereal, so I was like, I'll take advantage of the deal, so yay. So now I'm going to clean out the fridge, put it all away, and clean out the pantry because it's kind of a mess. And I'm gonna get dinner going so I can surprise Bradley with a nice dinner when he gets home. But I love you guys. I will see you very soon, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.